In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for the control panel on your desktop in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to streamline your access to system settings or simply want a more organized desktop, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So let's dive in and set things up. First, head over to your desktop. This is where the magic begins. The desktop is the principal screen you see once Windows starts up and what you interact with to open various applications. On your desktop, you'll need to locate the Windows search bar. This search bar is typically found at the bottom left corner of your screen and is your gateway to everything on your computer. Clicking it will allow you to type in queries to search for applications, files, and settings. Once you've clicked on the search bar, go ahead and enter Control Panel. This is a familiar feature in Windows that gives you access to a range of system settings and configurations. Typing it into the search bar will help you locate the application quickly. After searching for Control Panel and ensuring it's visible on your screen, let's return briefly to your desktop. We're about to create something new. Hover your mouse anywhere on the desktop, right-click, and you will see a context menu pop up. This is where you'll begin creating your new shortcut. In the context menu, you'll want to select the option labeled New. Once you select New, another submenu will appear. From this list, click on Shortcut. Doing so prompts a new window to appear. It's through this window that will set you up with an efficient route to your control panel. In the window that appears, you'll be prompted to type the location of the item. Go ahead and type the control panel into this field and then hit Enter. This step essentially tells your computer what your shortcut will open when it's clicked. Remember, accuracy is key. After you type Control Panel, click on Next. This will take you to the final setup screen. On this page, you can either accept the default name for the shortcut or customize it if you prefer something different. When ready, click Finish, and there you have it, a fresh shortcut on your desktop that takes you directly to the control panel anytime you need it. This not only saves you time, but also gives your desktop a bit more functionality. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully added a control panel shortcut to your desktop. Feel free to use it whenever you need fast access to various system settings without going through the usual navigation process. Thanks for watching and happy computing.